Well, it's winter. In all the rabbit videos I watch, I never heard anybody mention these hot water bottles. I'm sure they're out there, but I missed them. And I was watching one video and I saw what it looked like. Extension cords on them, or wires coming off of them. And I thought that might be a heater. So I went and looked for them online and I found them. These are Farm Innovator Incorporation. They leak a little. One definitely leaks, and the other ones I'm not sure about. But they're filling from the top, and it was 20 degrees the other night and kept the water from freezing. So just wanted to bring up the water heaters. And that's it. Keep on prepping.